Beth Drake with Keller Williams is here, and it's always good to see you, Beth.
No, it's great to be back.
So we're going to talk a little bit today because, you know, we're in a unique situation, especially on the island, because really there's only so many places you can build, and then it's done because it's an island.
Right.
So a lot of things are older here, and what we were talking about is that having something renovated is going to really push the speed button on how fast something's going to get sold.
Right, it does. In fact, we have such a limited supply of homes that are renovated that they either sell right away or they're already sold before they even get to MLS, just through networking with other realtors.
Yeah.
And so I've found that I've been encouraging people to go ahead and make offers on something that needs some work.
Right, because then on the buyer side, that's a benefit for them.
That's right. They get a much lower price, and then they can have it however they want. So I just wanted to show a couple pictures here. This is a recent home in Sea Pines. And you know, at Sea Pines, a lot of the homes were built in the 80s, and just like this house. So you can see from this living room picture what it looked like before. It had a wall, it was boxy, and just and then the after picture is just unbelievable.
So beautiful.
You know, the kitchen, they renovated the house, and because they did this, instead of getting maybe a little bit of rentals, because this couple short-term rents it when they're not here, they're doing like $80,000 on this 3-bedroom house.
Wow.
So there's a lot of rental potential. You know, people are HGTV, they watch everything now, and they want to rent a place that has nice bathrooms and nice furniture. And so one of the things that we have is we have a lot of resources as far as we do know handyman and renovators, and you know, to update your place.
So if somebody's ready to do that, you can kind of guide them through the process.
I can guide them through the process, yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So I know you have some houses and some listings you want to share with us too, and these have been, at least one of them has been fully renovated.
Right,
yeah.
right. Well, first we'll show 31 DeWeese, which it was just built a few years ago. And we have just lowered this price to $349,000. You can't touch a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath on Hilton Head for this price.
Absolutely.
Due to relocation, the sellers had to, move out, and so they're actually taking a loss, but they just want to go ahead and let somebody else enjoy this home.
Yeah. So this is something you want to jump on like right now.
That's right. It's located in the gated community of Carolina Isles. And one thing that a lot of people don't know is that the property owners here have access to the Hilton Head Country Club. So
I did not know that.
Yeah, most people don't. So for just $89 a month, they can use the fitness center, which is state of the art, the indoor pool, the outdoor pool, the dining. So that's just, gosh, probably about a mile away.
Yeah. So
that's a great benefit there.
Absolutely.
In this home, you'll see what we recently painted the foyer. So it's a nice bright color, and we repainted the great room. So it's a nice kind of neutral little off gray color. It's got granite counters, stainless steel appliances, covered patio in the back with pavers to extend the patio, and it's a peaceful wooded view. So, you know, for $349,000, this could be less than you're paying rent.
Absolutely, and it's on the island, and what could be better? Right near the schools, everything.
Right, everything. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Now, talking about renovated, this is the spa. The spa is a condo complex that's located on the ocean. So this is in the second building overlooking the pool, and this 2114 is listed at $199,500, and it was renovated down to the studs.
Okay.
The seller even put soundproofing in the ceiling and the walls so that you're not hearing the neighbors, next door. It's great. I don't think any of them have that. New plumbing. It's just new. Everything's new. The cabinets, the flooring, the bathrooms, and it comes fully furnished. You can do short-term rentals here, which is great. Gosh, I don't know what to say about this one. It's got a washer and dryer in the unit as well, and it's got a big storage closet inside. So,
turnkey.
And it's right overlooking the pool and just literally steps from the sand.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
What an awesome place.
So call me. I'd love to show you this one.
Okay, so if they do want to call you.
Yeah, just call me at 843-422-7500. Or check out my listings on my website, which I'm searching for more listings because the inventory is pretty low and most of my listings have sold.
Right.
So I'd love to help.
All right. Well, thanks so much, Beth. It's always great to see you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.